A demon has broken the veil.
It's who she is. She's a monster. Why can't you see that?
She's not a monster. She's just trying to find her place in our world.
Please, help me. I just need a ride home.
That beast is out there. You and I know that the witches have something to do with it. How long until it picks up her scent and comes after her?
And I'm thirsty. Let's see you try. Angus, venom.
In war, there are no borders.
And if it's revenge you want, then the price is blood.
Hungry. We are always hungry.